The magnetic pull of vibes, it's not always love. We've all heard it, like attracts like. Positive vibes attract positive experiences. But what about the flip side? What happens when our energy dips low, resonating with the shadows? The truth is, we are energetic beings, always transmitting signals into the universe. These vibrations don't discriminate between good and bad, they simply attract what matches their frequency. Just as joy can magnetize love and abundance, fear and negativity can draw in chaos and lack. It's a powerful concept, one that invites us to examine the energy we're putting out into the world. Are you attracting what you truly desire, or are you caught in a cycle of attracting what you fear the most? Scars that echo. Trauma's impact on vibrational frequency. Trauma, whether emotional, physical or psychological, leaves an imprint on our energy field. These experiences, especially those from childhood, can get hardwired into our subconscious, shaping our perceptions and responses to the world. The energy of trauma is dense, heavy. It can weigh us down, keeping our vibration low and attracting more of the same. Unexamined wounds can manifest as anxiety, depression, or even physical ailments. Healing becomes crucial by acknowledging our past, seeking support, and engaging in practices that release trapped energy. We can begin to shift our vibration and break free from the cycle. Remember, healing is possible. You are not destined to be defined by your past. Fear's grip. Society's blueprint for low vibes. From a young age, we are bombarded with messages of scarcity and fear. The media thrives on negativity, highlighting lack and danger. This constant exposure can program us to anticipate the worst, keeping us trapped in survival mode. When we live in fear, our energy contracts, our vibration lowers, and we become magnets for more of what we're trying to avoid. We settle for less, play small, and accept limitations as our reality. Breaking free requires conscious awareness. Question the narratives you've been told. Choose to focus on abundance, possibility, and love. Remember, you have the power to rewrite the script of your life. It starts with a shift in perspective, a conscious choice to embrace a higher vibration. Sound therapy. Recalibrating with the power of sound. Sound is vibration. Just as certain frequencies can shatter glass, specific sounds can shift our energy, clearing blockages and promoting healing. Sound baths, using instruments like singing bowls, gongs, and tuning forks, create immersive sonic experiences that resonate deeply within our bodies. These vibrations can calm the nervous system, release tension, and restore harmony. Even listening to calming music or nature sounds can have a profound impact on our state of being. Experiment with different sounds and notice how your body responds. Allow the power of sound to wash over you, cleansing your energy and raising your vibration. Grounding, finding stability in the Earth's embrace. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to become disconnected from the most grounding force we have, the Earth. Grounding or earthing involves physically connecting to the Earth's energy. This can be as simple as walking barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. The Earth acts as a powerful energy sink, neutralizing negative energy and replenishing our own. Take time each day to step outside, feel the ground beneath your feet, and breathe in the fresh air. This simple practice can work wonders in restoring balance, reducing stress, and raising your vibrational frequency. Remember, you are a part of nature. Reconnect with its healing embrace. Recognizing the poverty mindset. Are you stuck? Poverty consciousness extends beyond financial limitations. It's a mindset of scarcity, fear, and lack that permeates all areas of life. Do you constantly worry about money? Do you believe you're undeserving of abundance? Do you focus on what you don't have rather than what you do? These are all signs of a poverty mindset, a vibration that blocks the flow of abundance and keeps you stuck in a cycle of lack. Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking free. Shift your focus to gratitude, embrace opportunities, and believe in your own worthiness to receive. Abundance is your birthright. Claim it. Breaking free. Simple steps to raise your vibration. Raising your vibration is an ongoing practice, a conscious choice to align with a higher frequency. Here are some simple steps you can incorporate into your daily life. 1. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you're grateful for, no matter how small. 2. Cultivate positive thoughts. Become aware of negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations. 3. Engage in activities you love. Make time for hobbies and passions that light you up. 4. Surround yourself with positive people. Limit exposure to negativity and seek out supportive relationships. 5. Practice mindfulness. Engage in practices like meditation or breath work to become present. Remember, small changes can create a ripple effect. The upward spiral: how higher vibes transform your life. As you consciously raise your vibration, you'll begin to notice a shift in your experiences. Synchronicities will increase, opportunities will present themselves, and you'll attract more joy, love, and abundance into your life. Relationships will improve, your health will flourish, and you'll feel a renewed sense of purpose and fulfillment. The world will become a brighter, more supportive place as you align with a higher frequency. This is the power of aligning with your true, authentic self. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and limitless potential. You are the alchemist, transforming energy, transforming your reality. Remember, you are not a victim of your circumstances. You have the power to choose your thoughts, your beliefs, and your energy. You are the alchemist of your own life, capable of transforming your reality by shifting your vibration. Embrace the practices that resonate with you and watch as your world transforms. The journey may have its ups and downs, but the rewards of aligning with a higher frequency are immeasurable. The power to create the life you desire lies within you.